Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I decided to do the last look of this year, which is Venom. And someone gave me this idea because I asked on my Instagram story, what should I film next? And someone said a fictional character. And I was just looking through Google images and Pinterest, and I saw Venom. I was like, oh, this looks really easy and it's like creepy, half human, half alien, so why not recreate it? So let's just jump right into the video. And of course, you guys know I will be doing voiceover, because if I don't do voiceover, you guys know I could be sitting here talking forever. Alright guys, so I already prep and prime my face. I am just putting on foundation as a base because y'all know if you don't have a smooth skin texture and you just slap paint on, it will look disgusting. Trust me guys, I learned from my past experience. Now I am outlining where I want to be half human and half alien. I am just applying eyelash glue around one eye and putting a cotton over it to cover my eye. So I forgot to film where I outlined my eye and when I was painting my eye white, but I realized it didn't look good with just one cotton, and I want to add more texture to my eyes using lash glue and paper towel. Now I am just slapping on black paint all the way down to half of my body. Also at the edges of the black paint, I just brush lightly to add some strokes where it looks like the alien is about to take over my other side. And then you will see me using a small precise brush later to work around my eye area, and also added more lines on my face. Then I also use white paint to draw lines as highlight. While I let the paint dry, I am using fake nails as my teeth. I am using lash glue to glue the teeth on. By the way, you could totally draw on the teeth if you want, but I like using fake nails because I feel like it's much quicker. Now that my teeth are on and the paint is dry, I am using black eyeshadow to set the paint. After that, you will see me take a red eyeshadow to outline my teeth and also make it look like there's blood, since my fake blood from 2 years ago dry up, which totally sucks, but the red eyeshadow still works anyways. I am just drawing my eyebrows and popping on some lashes. This part is totally optional, but of course you guys know me, I'm a bit extra, so you know I'll throw on some lashes here and there. No lashes to lashes. So I got black gloves from Amazon because I don't feel like painting my whole arms, and there you guys have it, Venom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.